Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and I'm super excited because I have 4 really easy yet super effective moves to help you get rid of shoulder pain and help better that posture, all right? It's gonna help with overall back and spine, neck health, all right, for overall well-being. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. All right, we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through the movement a little bit more while I do it with you, a little bit of a demo, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we're gonna be doing W rotation. So we're gonna put our hands in a W form, like so, all right, and then our hands are up, facing forward, and then we're gonna bring them down to face back. So we're flipping our arms, all right, down and then back, all right? So keeping that W formation, all right, and keeping that upright posture, right? And just moving your arms and rotating those shoulders, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. All right, so W, you're gonna rotate, really feel like a little bit of a stretch here in your shoulders, and then come up, all right? Very good, and good. This stretches and strengthens your shoulders at the same time. Taking your time, doesn't have to be fast, all right? Just working through the motion. Also keeping a nice good posture here, so nice straight back. You don't wanna come forward with the movement, all right? Keep straight and then just move your arms as much as you can. If you can only go this way, this much, that's fine, all right? Over time, you'll get more flexible. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and come down, shake out those arms, very good. Next, I have snow angels with a back tap. I'm giving you 2 variations for this one. So we're gonna come up, all right, and then bend our elbows, and we're gonna tap our back. I'll show you the other way as well. I'm gonna turn around for you. And then coming back up, down, and then you're gonna rotate your hands to bend your elbows and tap your back this way, all right? So full movement looks like this, and there you go, all right? If that is too much for you, then you can go ahead and just do snow angels, all right? That still works wonders for your back and shoulders. All right, here's the view from behind. All right, we're gonna come up, tap, and then down and tap, all right? Boom, boom, all right? Very good. Big breath, 30 seconds. Take your time, enjoy the movement, and let's go. So up, bend, and coming back down, all right? Flexibility is different for everyone, so just go as much as you can, as you comfortably can, as long as you feel like, you know, you're benefiting from the movement and challenging yourself a little bit. Very good. Now, when you bring your arms up, make sure you're not opening up your rib cage, so splaying out like this. So tuck in your rib cage, all right, and keeping your butt and tummy nice and tucked. Very good. Oh, this feels really good already. And 3, 2, 1, and come down, shake it out. Very good. Next, we have opposite rotations. This one's fun. Our arms are out to the side. All right, out to the side. And then one hand comes forward and up, and the other one comes down and backwards. So opposite, and then the other way. And you just switch back and forth like so. Simple, but you're gonna feel it, trust me. 30 seconds, arms out, and let's go. So one way and then the other. Trying to keep your torso as still as possible. You don't wanna, you know, kind of go like this, twisting your whole body. Staying upright and just isolating your arms and shoulders. Very good. Awesome. Woo, feel this one. Remember to breathe, nice big breath. Awesome. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good, great. These exercises are so great because I feel them stretching and strengthening at the same time. It's awesome. So finishing strong with rotating back taps. This is a little bit more difficult. Like I said, everyone's has different flexibility, but just go as much as you can. So I'm gonna turn around for this one. All right, so one arm comes up, bends, and then the other one comes here and tries to meet the hand. But again, if you can't go all the way like this, you know, just come as far as you can. Here and then you're gonna switch them. All right, and we're gonna do this alternating. Oof, there we go. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. Here, take your time. It's not about how fast or how many you do. Enjoy the movement. Very good. Remember that rib cage, close that rib cage, tuck in that tummy, tuck in that butt. It's gonna help your spine and your shoulders as well. Everything's connected. And 3, 2, 1, come down. Very, very good. And that is it. All right, we're gonna take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna do it all again, less talking, just straight through the routine. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. We're gonna go straight through. We have our W rotations, then we have our snow angels with the back taps, all right? Then we have our opposite rotations, and then we have our rotating back taps, all right? 30 seconds each one. Big breath, starting with W rotations. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Shake it out. Shake it out. Next, we have our snow angels with a back tap. 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Next, we have our opposite rotations. Big breath, bend in the knees. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Woo, I'm feeling the burn. All right, ending strong with our rotating back taps. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Awesome job. 2 sets done. Take a second, reset, grab some water, and we're gonna go crush set number 3. "30 seconds each one. Big breath, starting with W rotations. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Shake it out. Shake it out. Next, we have our snow angels with a back tap. 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Next, we have our opposite rotations. Big breath, bend in the knees. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Woo, I'm feeling the burn. All right, ending song with our rotating back taps. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Shake it out. Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets. My shoulders are feeling it. I hope yours are too. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. And then don't forget to subscribe. Check out our channel. We have so many amazing workouts and recipes to share with you, all right? I hope to see you on the next one.